Greetings, picky eaters! We are still under community quarantine, and I am still looking for businesses that serve delivery during this time. I just found out that one of my favorite Tsukemen restaurants, they make their own Tsukemen Kits. Which restaurant am I talking about? I believe it's the one that made Tsukemen popular here in the Philippines, Mitsuyado Seimen. Are you guys ready? Let's go! Let's check out the delivery. Oh, this is... wow. I thought I was just getting Tsukemen. Apparently, I have also pork cutlet. Wow. Look at that. Ooh. Looks beautifully fried. Nice golden brown. Let's try the pork cutlet, aka katsu. You know, it's funny because this was delivered, right? So it's been out, let's say an hour and a half. But when you bite into it, the exterior still has a bit of that crunch that you would expect from panko coating. And I love the tanginess of the katsu sauce. Perfect balance with the pork. I'll give you one piece because I love you. Wow. And this, minsan ginagawa ko na nga itong ulam eh. Shaha! Japanese fried rice. Looks nice and sticky. Just the way I like it. I was right, nice and sticky. You have a meatiness there. The egg helps it from being overly salty because it adds a touch of richness. Pwede itong ulam by itself. I would totally eat this as an ulam. Now this is where things get awesome. I see cheese sauce right here. Natatawa ako because cheese Tsukemen is her favorite thing in the world, especially Mitsuyado's. Right, babe? Oh, there it is. Take home Tsukemen Kit. They sent me two kinds, Karashe Tsukemen and Yuzu Tsukemen. The cooking instructions are simple, so we are gonna start with the Yuzu Tsukemen. The toppings are all here. The dipping sauce is here. And of course, the noodles right there. First, you boil water into a pot. You add the noodles and cook for 2 minutes. Strain the noodles. You can do it either hot or cold if you want. Add the dipping soup. Bring it to a boil. Add the toppings and then let it simmer for a minute. And pour the soup into a separate bowl. Add the toppings. Then add the tare. Top it with onion leaves. This is how you're supposed to eat Tsukemen, Rain. You get the noodles. Okay, dip it into the dipping sauce. And then dip it into the cheese. Voila! Yummy! God, I miss this. Nakakamiss to, no? Where it cannot express how happy I am right now. Mitsuyado Seimen, I miss you so much. Your yuzu is amazing. Oh wait, may cheese sauce pa yan. Someone is so happy. Mitsuyado Seimen's Tsukemen Kits are absolutely phenomenal. If you want information on how to order it, check out their Facebook page as well as their Instagram account. You're sure to find more information there. They also have other a la carte orders like the chahan and the katsu that I showed you, and so much more that are absolutely phenomenal. There are some branches of Mitsuyado Seimen that are already open. You can actually visit already their brick and mortar restaurant. But when you do, please don't forget to practice social distancing, okay? Please be safe, stay hungry, stay foolish. Most importantly, when you can, stay home. Thanks guys, take care.